that is terrible. Hey, no, you're gonna hit me.
I'm not gonna. This is worth $2.
Oh my god.
This is worth just to let it go. We'll see what happens.
Am I gonna die?
No, so.
Oh, good. I'm not a slug.
Did you see Indian people die?
You're gonna lie.
Oh god, I'm not a slug.
He's not gonna
How did it get this crazy?
Drink a glass of
How did it get
Drink a glass not that big. I'm not gonna really not.
Wait, you're not gonna swallow it?
So where are you gonna go with it?
Where are you gonna stop? I was actually gonna put it in his eyes, but I felt bad.
If I
Just do it. Let's go. $2. Let's go.
You're gonna be very dehydrated.
Come on, be a man. Be a man. Be a man.
you don't need to breathe. Be a man. Be a man. Be a man.
Open your mouth. Then it's time.
Be a woman. Be a woman. Be a woman. Open your mouth.
Be a man.
Be a woman. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
No, you gotta sit your head back more. Right?
No, you're not gonna pour in.
It's your
Well,
Where's the salt
throw it on, idiot.
funnel?
Go.
Jesus Christ! I think it's dead.
Ew, 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 ew.
Wait. Okay, good. Now swallow the water.